All right, this would be coding bat number 6 for the arrays one. We have to do the difference between the smallest and largest values in an array. All right, and so we're gonna have to loop to find those, like loop to find the smallest and largest. Okay, so I want you to just pause here and think of like what would be the algorithm or the setup for this. Okay, and so the idea is you can actually do, sometimes students do 2 loops, like one to loop through and find the min, and then do a second loop through to find the max. And then you got to subtract and return the difference. All right, so max minus min is what you'll return. Okay, and so that's a good approach, except that you only really need one loop, because you can do a single loop and have like a max and min value, and basically check if the value you are on is greater than the max, it becomes the new max, and then do a second check. If the value you are on is less than the min, then it becomes the new min. All right, so we've done that a little bit before in class where we just kind of override it. So like basically what I would do is do like an int max, that is the first number, since we're guaranteed to have at least one number. I think it says that up here, length of 1 or more. So I'm just going to set it to be 0, and then I'm going to set min to also be num's position 0. Okay, and then I'm just going to loop and say, if we ever hit one that is less than the min, it'll become the new min. So like here, 3 would overwrite min, and then just keep going, right, and check if it's ever greater than max, it overwrites it. So max would never get written here. It would never get overwritten because max would be 10 at the start, and none of these ever exceed it. Right, so this will just return 10 minus 3 to give 7, right? So that's kind of the idea. And let's see if we can do the loops. And actually, sorry, you only need one loop. So I'm going to do 4 int I equals, and you could actually start at 1 here instead of 0, because we've already checked the 0 spot, right? We've already set min and max to be 0 spot. So I'm going to start at 1, do I less than the length, as always, plus I. Okay, and then inside the for loop, I'm going to have 2 if checks. I'm going to say if the number we're on, which is num's position I, the ith number is greater than the max, it becomes the new max. So max equals num's position I, and then do a very similar thing, that if num's position I is less than the min, then it becomes the min. And min is now num's position I. Okay, and so once we loop through all of them, then we will have found the max and min, and then we just have to return that difference. So I'm just going to return max minus min. All right, and that should do it. Okay, so it's finding max and min, but finding both in one loop and then subtracting them at the end. And should pass all the test cases. Felt pretty confident on that one. All right, so that's it. Thanks for watching.